Oh, hi. Welcome to the English lab. I'm Dr. Alonso. Yeah, that's right. I'm Dr. Alonso, and welcome back to the English lab. I'm about to begin. Estoy a punto de empezar. Right before the action. I am, contraído. I'm about to begin. Estoy a punto de empezar. You are, o contracción, you're about to learn something new. Eso es, tú estás a punto de aprender algo nuevo. You are about to learn something new. We're about to have a good time. Estamos a punto de pasarlo bien. I'm about to explain the structure. Estoy a punto de explicar la estructura. Usamos el sujeto, más el verbo to be, más about to, infinitivo. I'm about to explain it. Estoy a punto de explicarlo. I'm about to begin. Well, not now. Now, I'm about to finish the class. Now, I finished the class, and I'm about to say goodbye. Bye. Go.